Hello everyone and welcome back to Informatics Joy. Today in this video we are going to see about a minor blast outside the Israeli embassy in Delhi in the VIP zone. A very low intensity IED improvised explosive device was detonated near the Israeli embassy in the heart of central Delhi on Friday evening January 29th. A very low intensity improvised device went off. No injury to any person was reported, nor was there any damage to the property, except the glass panes of three vehicles parked nearby. Anil Mittal, a Delhi police spokesperson, was quoted by news agency. The blast took place 1.4 kilometers from Vijaya Chowk, where President Ramnath Kovind, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and other senior members of the government had gathered amid extremely heavy security for the beating retreat ceremony that follows the Republic Day parade. Home Minister Amit Shah has been briefed on the situation. Foreign Minister S. Jaishankar has tweeted to say he has spoken to his Israeli counterpart Gabi Ashkenazi and assured him of the fullest protection for the embassy and diplomats. Spoke just now to Israeli Foreign Minister Gabi Ashkenazi about the explosion outside the Israeli embassy. We took this very seriously, assured him of the fullest protection for the embassy and Israeli diplomats. Matter is under investigation and no effort will be spared to find the culprits. Mr. Ashkenazi said his government would cooperate fully to identify those involved in the explosion. The Indian Foreign Minister assured me that the Indian authorities are committed to the security of all Israeli diplomatic staff and will continue to act resolutely to locate all those involved in the explosion. I thanked him and promised full cooperation and any help required from Israel. A statement from the Israel government also confirmed no injuries or damage to its property. A part of the SOP in such situations, standard operating procedure and alert has been issued at all airports, important installations and government buildings in the country, and enhanced security measures have been put in place, the CISF, Central Industrial Security Force, has said. Police sources said the explosive, which an initial probe such as had ball bearings as part of IED's makeup, had been wrapped up in a plastic bag and left on the pavement outside a nearby residence that is just meters away from the embassy. The entire area the embassy is located on Dr. APJ Kalam Road has been cordoned off, and senior Delhi police officers as well as those from the special cell and other intelligence agencies have reached the spot. Visuals from the area showed a heavy deployment of police and security personnel standing outside the embassy with yellow Delhi police barricades set up at both ends of the road. The blast comes days after Amit Shah met with Delhi Police Commissioner and the heads of intelligence agencies to discuss security in the national capital. This was in the aftermath of violence of Republic Day between police and groups of farmers protesting the agricultural laws. After that meeting, additional paramilitary forces were positioned in the city. News agency ANI quoted an unnamed senior official as saying 15 companies of paramilitary forces, including 10 from the CRPF, has been sent in, 5 more were on standby. So guys, hope this video was so informative to you, and please do subscribe to Informatics Joy. Thank you.